what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Precious. It's so good to have you. I hope you join the family by liking this video, subscribing, and giving a lovely comment. So yeah, how you guys doing? Today's video is just basically a DIY. I think this is going to be our first DIY on this channel. So if you don't know what DIY means, it means do it yourself. And today, from the title, I'll be showing you guys how you can take off or reduce keloids from your ears or your nose. I think your ears basically, because that's what I've tried. I don't have piercings on my nose or anywhere else, so yeah, so I'm talking from experience, like what has worked for me in the past. So I'm going to show you guys how to take out keloids from your ears due to piercing, like keloids that developed from bad piercing, right? Yeah, so all you need for this process is cotton pads. You also need alcohol. I'll be using this one. You can find this in any pharmacy, basically it's very common. Then I'll be using the no pull disc. This is like the star of the show. It's so tiny, and that's what it looks like. Then of course stud earrings, anyone you have. Those ones that are like this. Yeah, so first thing I'll do is to pin my hair backwards so you guys can see what I'm doing. So yeah, so this is where I have the keloids. Like, it used to be way bigger, but ever since I started doing this stuff, it's been reducing. So first things first, I'll wet my cotton pad and gently clean that area. Clean the keloids. Also clean my ear hole. Clean it very well. So once that is done, I'll go in with the stud, that's the earring, and fix it in the ear hole. Then I'll apply I said apply. Then next I'll go in with the disc, the no pull disc, and fix it like I want to put the hook of the stud. Yeah. Then finally I'll go in with my hook and just seal everything together. So yeah, that's it basically. So what this disc does is to apply pressure on the keloids and flatten it. So with time it keeps applying pressure and the size of the keloids will just keep reducing. So that's what it does. So even if it doesn't go out completely, you will definitely see results. That I can tell you for free. So yeah, that's it guys, and people should thank me for this video, because the first time I heard about this, when I went to all these piercing technicians, I don't know what you call them, these people that pierce ears, right? So I met this girl. When I met her and I told her like my issues and everything, because someone had told me about it. So I went there and she sells the discs quite alright. So she said to apply it, like to help me wear it, I'm going to pay 2,000 naira. So I was thinking, I didn't even know this was the way they wear it. I had no idea of what it was or even how it's being worn. So I was like, because I'd already paid 3,000 for this tiny thing. So why am I paying extra 2,000 just to help me fix it? Besides, I bought it from you, so why would you be charging me that? So after so much back and forth, she now said she was going to charge me 1K, and I said, okay, fine, just wear it then. Do you know, this girl just basically did what I just showed you guys, and that's what I paid money for. I was so pissed. I even had to ask her, is this what you had to do for me? Is this what you were charging me 2,000 naira for? She said yes. Now, and there this Lagos, I don't know, everybody wants to make money by all means possible. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to share, comment. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for all the love. Thank you for finally getting to 200 subscribers. Looking forward to 300 subscribers. So until next time, my loves, stay peaceful and blessed.
taking, just don't deep and live my life. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on high.